Welcome back to another video. My name is Ollie, and if you are new here, make sure you go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Never miss a video from me. Smash the like button. Let's see if we can get this video to 200 likes. Do it now. I've got time. In today's video, I wanted to talk about me making a car insurance advert for a fake company. Anthony went and sent me a message and said, look, we're doing this video. We're giving the same footage to 3 different editors and seeing what everyone puts together. So I put my own little spin on it. It had to be a 15-second video, so here it is. Remember being a kid, sitting behind the wheel of someone's car thinking, God, I can't wait until I can drive. The feel of open roads, no restrictions, no boundaries, true freedom. Well, now the wait's over. You've got your license, you've got your car, but you're missing one thing. That's where we come in. Get your first month free when you sign up for car insurance with Lauren Lipson. So what are you waiting for? Use the app to get a free quote in less than 60 seconds and get yourself on the road. And remember, big dreams have small beginnings. I really enjoyed doing this. I love creating commercial videos, especially when I had a freedom to do what I wanted. Basically, Anthony gave us all the same stock footage and just said, look, this is the brief, run away with it, whatever you want to do with it. And I was the only one that went for the voiceover method. So if you want to go and check Anthony's video, he's got the other 2 videos on there, and also everyone's reactions to everyone else's videos. So definitely go check out Anthony's channel, check out that video to see everyone else's videos and me reacting to theirs. But yeah, I just wanted to show you it because I was going to make a full video, but I think this was enough just showing you my video. And then obviously if you want to go check out the other videos, go over to Anthony's channel, subscribe to him, leave the video a like, and drop a comment saying that I sent you over there. So guys, hope you enjoyed this little video. Just to give you a little bit of breakdown as well, we had complete control over what we wanted to do. I love doing voiceovers and trying to tell a story, and you know, I wanted to add my personal touch doing the voiceover and adding that story to the video. I think it turned out really, really good. I'm excited to do other stuff like that. I'm going to be filming some at-home commercials for products as well, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Leave this video a like, of course, as I mentioned, and I shall see you in the next one. Peace. It's unknown T,